industry has been growing. We have so many investors, so many distributors, and they all have been growing very fast. The role of women distributor, I think when I look at the industry number, it's not very encouraging. While it's decent, I would not say it's bad. What are the challenges that you face as a women mutual fund distributor? And what kind of advice you want to give to a lot of people out there who are either doing it well, but if they have to grow, they have to do things better.
See, challenge is all in the mind. Okay. This discrimination of women and men is something which I find very weird, because I was brought up in a family where the distinguish was not there, that you are a woman or you are a man. And in my family, when I was growing up, my grandmoms or my aunts and uncles, I think everybody was working. Women were working, men were working. So that environment was very different, saying that that is what I have grown up with. And when I came into financial market, in the financial sector, okay, obviously there were less women, because money is always related to men and not to women. It never bothered me so much. But I had my own challenges, because imagine saying that the whole society, the men manage money, and when I'm sitting in front of the clients and saying that I'm going to manage money, it's not accepted so well. They look at you, they test you, they test you to the level saying that, are you knowledgeable? Are you knowing your facts? Do you know what's happening around? Are you capable to manage the wealth? So it's about people don't have trust, right? So you have to prove yourself. So what happened is, every time I found saying that somebody didn't trust me, I went to the next level to improve myself. So for me, that challenge was saying that I can do it. How can I not do it? So I pushed myself every time to be knowledgeable, to be more professional, be perfectionist. And that evolved me. So competition was never a concern for me. Second, as you said, a lot of women are not coming. I think there is a sea change, but I want women to say that this particular mutual fund distribution or financial advisory or whatever that you want to call is so important, saying that every woman can do it, because what this needs is empathy.
True.
And women have that innate, innate quality within them to have that empathy. And that is something that can bring in a lot of change into your relationship with your clients and with money. So I would tell women, saying that, don't think that this practice is not right for you. It is absolutely a wonderful practice, and women can handle this practice much better. And as you rightly said on succession, I wanted to say that every distributor should feel that they should get their wife as a succession planning option. She should be the first one to be the successor of her business, and then
And
their
also,
children.
if I remember correctly, you do share with me all the times that you do involve the wife
Yes.
as a part of decision making.
Yeah.
That's very, very important part of your discussion with your clients.
Yeah.
Can you share some light on that?
So again, Manish, I observe people in my house and my family. I observe with my friends and all, where a lot of women don't even know where their husbands are investing or their fathers have invested. And the challenges they face is we've got 50% of our clients as women, and all of them have come to us when they became widowed, or they would be going through a divorce, or if it's a single woman, if she has lost her parents, he or she has lost her parents, they come to us and say, oh, they're very low in their life because of what has happened to them, emotionally very low, insecure, very fearful, what they don't even know how well the money is, And that taught me saying that, it's so critical that when I am talking to a man about investment, I should involve the woman, because I don't want any woman to go through that in their life saying that they don't know when certain calamities strike them. And that is not the right time to get into and manage money. It's always better to manage money in good times so that you can take care of your bad times. And as women live 5 years longer than men, which is what the statistics say, women need to understand where the wealth lies for the family, where, how, and she has to have the capability to manage. So that lessons have taught me saying that I have to involve the woman of the house to be a part of the discussion when money is spoken about.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.